Hi, I'm Deanie, and I partnered with Daisy to bring you one of my favorite ways to kick off summer. Now, Memorial Day is not only a great time to hang out with friends and family, honor your country, but it's the best time to gather around some really good food. Now, my buffalo potatoes with avocado sour cream dip is the perfect party starter, but it's really the dip that's gonna be your hero all summer long. Let's go make it. All right, so let's make some buffalo potatoes. These are so addicting, like so insanely good. So I'm just gonna get started by halving all of our potatoes, and I like to use these little mini red potatoes. You could use regular white potatoes. You can use a larger potato and just cut it into wedges. It makes a really, really fun party food. And that's, I feel like, Memorial Day. That's what I feel like it's about. It's getting people together. It's the start of the summer, almost time for camp, no more school. All right. And now we're gonna season these up. So we're gonna start with some hot sauce. Just add that right in. We're gonna add about half of this, because the other half of both of these sauces we're gonna add at the end. Once they come out of the oven, we're gonna douse it in some more sauce to just give it another layer of heat. So this is just some barbecue sauce. You can use any of your favorite barbecue sauce that you like. It's totally up to you, any flavor. Give that a little toss through. And then we have the smoky component, which is some chili powder. So that gives that nice kind of chili flavor. Garlic powder, and you gotta season it with some salt. You gotta season pretty liberally with potatoes. Toss that around, and then we're just gonna add in some olive oil. You could use any oil you like here. I just tend to use olive oil for everything. I don't know, just like it. Give that a little mix through, and that's it. These are gonna bake at 425 for about like 25 minutes or so. My husband's mom actually used to always make this kind of combination on chicken. She would like bread chicken cutlets and then just douse it with honey and hot sauce. And oh my gosh, it's like the best flavor. So that's kind of where the idea for these came about. But I just knew that the flavor combination is just to die for. So I like that you can make this into bite-sized little pieces. So it just makes it really great for a gathering. It's just super fun and interactive. So that's it. You're gonna spread this out on your sheet pan, and you wanna make it a pretty even layer so that the heat can get to it evenly. So these are super spicy, which is why I love dunking them into the avocado sour cream dip. But if you wanted to make this a little bit more approachable for the kiddos, just leave out the hot sauce and add in a little bit extra barbecue sauce so you still have that kind of smoky, barbecue-y kind of flavor. And even that is fabulous dunked in that dip. The dip is like the best part here. It's like the total hero. All right, I'm gonna go pop these in the oven at 425 degrees for about 25 minutes or so until they're golden brown. The house is gonna smell so good. And while they're in there, we're gonna get started working on our avocado sour cream dip. You're gonna love this. Let's go. All right, now while those are roasting in the oven, we're gonna get started working on our avocado sour cream dip. I've been using this with everything. It's just great for dunking. It has such good flavors here. Such a fan. So I just take my avocado, I just squeeze it on out. It's just the easiest way to go. And the avocado just adds another layer of creaminess here. I also like that it makes it nice and green and vibrant. So just squeeze this out. I am a huge fan of having a nice dip to dunk things into, especially for kids. If you roast any vegetable, you could roast carrots. Kids love to dunk. You want it to be nice and smooth. All right, I'll just get all that avocado off there. All right, next up, we're gonna add some Daisy sour cream. This just makes this so rich and creamy, and it really works so perfectly with those spicy potatoes. All right, so I have my sour cream in here, a little bit of avocado. Next, we're gonna add in some vinegar, and the vinegar, that acidity in here is so perfect. And some salt to season the whole thing up. Give that a little mix around. I love the color of this. The last thing we're gonna add in is some fresh cilantro. And the cilantro just adds some nice freshness here. Makes it even more bright and green and beautiful. Think of this as your new go-to dip. That's it. Get your cilantro in there. And give it a little mix around one more time. Look at that. Gorgeous. All right, this is all ready. Super simple to pull together. We're gonna go grab our potatoes, and then I'll show you how we plate it up. All right, these just came out of the oven. They're piping hot. Now these really wake up the flavors, and they go perfectly with my avocado sour cream dip. All right, so now as we pack even more flavor into these already super flavorful potatoes. We're just gonna reintroduce those flavors by adding a tiny bit more hot sauce. Again, you can omit this if you're trying to please some little palates. Just do some extra barbecue sauce instead. Just give that one more little toss, and then these are ready to go. And you wanna bring these out nice and hot. Oh, look at that. And that's it. So we're just gonna serve this up here. We have our dip that we're just gonna put in a cute little bowl here. All right, these colors are so beautiful. Every last little bit in here. I'm telling you, this dip is not gonna last long. And all that is left to do is just add your potatoes. Oh, this looks so good. Look at that color combo. This is one of my favorite ways to spice up the summer. So there you have it, my buffalo potatoes with avocado sour cream dip. It's a perfect way to kick off the summer and a perfect dip for any appetizer board, roasted vegetables, plain vegetables, and of course, my buffalo potatoes. Hope you guys enjoyed and make it all summer long. Bye.